XAI is currently raising a whopping $6 billion from investors at a staggering $18 billion pre-money valuation. Yes, you heard that right. If this deal goes through at those terms, which is expected to happen within the next few weeks, unless there are any last-minute changes, investors will collectively own a 25% stake in the company. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Initially, XAI was seeking to raise a more modest $3 billion at a $15 billion valuation, but due to overwhelming investor demand, they decided to crank things up and increase both the funding amount and the company's valuation. So who are these investors lining up to get a piece of the action? Well, some of the major names involved include Sequoia Capital, one of the most prestigious venture capital firms, Steve Jurvetson's Future Ventures Fund, Valor Equity Partners, and GigaFund, all firms with deep ties to Musk's network of companies. But the funding process itself has been highly unconventional. Instead of a traditional roadshow, XAI has been bringing investors in through private Zoom calls with Musk and his team. This approach has created some opacity around exactly who all the investors are. The second news is about Chinese AI company Sensetime, which made major announcements at its recent Tech Day event in Shanghai. They launched SenseNova 5.0, the latest version of their large language model. According to Sensetime's CEO Xu Li, this new LLM matches or exceeds OpenAI's GPT-4 capabilities across areas like knowledge, reasoning, math, and coding abilities. Li claims SenseNova 5.0 will be a game-changer for industries like education, content creation, finance, and data analysis. Sensetime also unveiled the SenseNova Edge-side LLM tailored for enterprise use cases. While Sensetime is known for its facial recognition tech used in China's surveillance systems, they have heavily invested in advancing general AI capabilities in recent years. This AI push comes despite China's regulatory crackdown last August, requiring AI firms to register their platforms and allow security audits. Another Chinese company, ShengShu-AI and Tsinghua University, unveiled their brand new text-to-video AI model called Vidu. Now here's why this is such a big deal. They are claiming that Vidu is the first ever video model in China that can perform equal to OpenAI's Sora. This shows how quickly China is catching up in this crucial AI technology. Let me explain what Vidu can do. By combining two powerful AI models into something called a universal vision transformer, Vidu can amazingly create realistic 16-second 1080p video clips just from written descriptions with a single click. At the live demo, we saw Vidu simulating the real world with super intricate details like accurate lighting, shadows, and facial expressions, all following the laws of physics. This goes way beyond just basic static images. Since Vidu was made in China, it can generate videos containing unique Chinese cultural symbols and characters like pandas and Chinese dragons. It's crazy that just 2 months after OpenAI's Sora model blew everyone's minds, China has already matched it with their own Vidu model. That's how fast this AI race is moving between countries trying to take the lead. Finally, the most important news of the week. One more Chinese company, Astribot, based in Shenzhen and owned by Stardust Intelligence, seems to have made remarkable progress with their robot assistants. They recently released a video showcasing their humanoid S1 robot's incredible speed and agility. While performing household tasks, you might be aware that the AI humanoid robot industry is rapidly becoming a hotbed of innovation and intense competition. Just a few weeks back, we had some news from Figure AI and Boston Dynamics also introduced their Atlas robot. And now Astribot's S1 has genuinely left us in awe with its exceptional speed and precision. Their S1 humanoid can move at an astonishing 10 meters per second and handle up to 10 kilograms with each arm's capabilities that surpass those of an average adult male. They demonstrate this speed in a video where the robot smoothly pulls a tablecloth from under a stack of wine glasses without disturbing them. Quite remarkable, isn't it? The robot can perform a wide array of intricate tasks, such as pouring wine, slicing cucumbers, flipping sandwiches in a frying pan, and even writing calligraphy. The video also reveals that the robot can closely mimic human movements, making it a promising learner. The company was founded by Li Jie, who has extensive experience at Tencent Robotics Laboratory and Baidu. He led the development of Tencent's wheel-legged robot Ollie. According to Astribot's website, the company commenced operations in 2022 and took a year to develop its first humanoid robot. Astribot states that the robot is currently undergoing rigorous testing with large models and is set for commercial release in late 2024,